In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the switch control on your iPhone. Switch control is a feature that allows you to control your device using external switches or the screen itself. However, if you no longer need this feature or want to disable it for any reason, follow these simple steps. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Accessibility. After that, scroll down again and tap Switch Control. To turn off switch control on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch over here. Tap Yes to confirm it. Switch control is now disabled. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.